How to delete order history on Amazon 2026. Trying to delete your Amazon order history, maybe to hide a gift or keep your shopping private on a shared account. There's something important you need to know first before you go looking for a delete button that doesn't exist. Let me give you the full, honest picture right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm covering how to manage your Amazon order history in 2026. Here's the truth up front: Amazon doesn't let you delete orders at all. Every order is linked to your account for returns, customer service, and legal record keeping, but there are still several real privacy options available. Let's go through all of them. Step 1. Understand what changed in 2026. Amazon officially removed the archive order feature on August 19, 2025. Their announcement stated that starting from that date, the archived orders view would be removed, and any orders previously archived would appear back in the main order history again. So if you've seen outdated advice about archiving, that's why it may not be working for you anymore. Step 2. Check if archive order is still available on your account. Some users on older accounts or in specific regions still see the archive button, but it should be treated as temporary as Amazon is phasing it out globally. If you still have it, go to your orders page on desktop, find the order you want to hide, and click Archive Order. It moves out of your main view immediately. Step 3. Use the desktop browser workaround on mobile. The Amazon app has no archive button. To archive on mobile, open your phone's browser, Chrome or Safari, go to Amazon's website and switch to desktop site mode before following the steps. This is the only way to access archiving on a phone right now. Step 4. Clear your Amazon browsing history. Go to Account and Lists, then Browsing History. From there, select Manage History and toggle off Browsing History to remove all recently viewed items from display. Combining this with other privacy tools helps you maintain a much more discreet shopping experience overall. Step 5. Set up Amazon Household for ongoing shared account privacy. The most effective approach to keeping purchases private from family members is to open a household account on Amazon. Through Amazon Household, you can have a maximum of 2 adults each with their own separate Amazon account, while still sharing Prime benefits. Each adult keeps their own completely separate order history that the other cannot see. Step 6. Use a second Amazon account for sensitive purchases. You can keep a second Amazon account open specifically for private or sensitive items. And importantly, your Amazon purchase history is kept even if you cancel an account, so plan accordingly and don't rely on cancellation as a privacy strategy. Here's your pro tip. To fully protect sensitive purchases, combine whatever archiving is still available on your account with Alexa privacy settings. Go into your Alexa app and disable purchase notifications and order announcements, so Alexa doesn't announce your deliveries out loud in a shared space. That one setting alone prevents more accidental reveals than anything else on this list, especially around gift-giving seasons. And that's your complete 2026 guide to Amazon order history, why you can't fully delete it, how to check if archiving still works on your account, the mobile desktop workaround. Clearing your browsing history, setting up Amazon Household, and using a second account for privacy. Work through these in combination and your order history stays as private as Amazon will allow. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Amazon tips every week. Drop a comment below. Are you trying to hide a gift or just clean up your account? See you in the next one.